So this is the example of addition square. So why is it that the answer, if we're going to add, you're going to add 5 plus negative 3. Ito man yan. 5 plus, okay, dito, 5 plus negative 3. The answer is 2. Why is it? Okay, Chari, give me your answer.
Positive man ang 5 niya. Ang 3 guys, negative.
So what are we going to do? Are we going to add? Okay, therefore you are going to subtract. Why is it that the sign is positive 2? Okay, Lilias. Stand. Mas dako si positive 5. So therefore, we are going to follow the sign of the greater number. Understand? Nakasabot? Wala. Okay, proceed tayo. So that is the answer. Positive 2. How about 5 plus 8? Oh, obvious kayo. Diba? Very obvious. Basic from our elementary. Okay, that is 13. How about the second one? Negative 7 plus negative 3. Negative 7 plus negative 3. Ha? Positive 10. Ano na nitira ah? Pero, negative 10? Oh, negative 10. Why is it that the answer is negative 10? Okay, saan ba bibi? Hello, si Chari. Ano? Lain na po. Okay. Kaling boy. Para sila? Sign. Okay, so therefore, if ever the same sign, you are going to automatically add. Then, I'll fix the common sign which is negative. Oh, ano negative 10? Nakasabot wala? O, there is a 5 plus 8. Diba? Balik na rin kay 5 plus 8. Diba? Positive 13. The same positive, i-plus diretso. Dili sa atong ginatawag na negative 7 plus negative 3. The same sila nga negative, i-add sila diretso, then the sign is negative 10. Kaya the same sila nga negative 10. Okay, how about this one? Negative 7 plus positive 8. Okay, anong positive 1? Somebody will ask me. Wait, okay, kuya.
Ikaw naman ka ng, buwan sila. Hindi sila ka na ng sign.
Oh, dili pares nga sign. So, what are we going to do? Are we going to add or subtract? Subtract. Then why is it that the value, the sign is positive 1? Why is it that the value is sign? Okay. Kaisa? Okay, very good. You're going to follow the greater, the sign of the greater number. Nakasabot?
Yes.
Okay. Any question? Wala na. So, Rita, we're going to have our activity. May isa ka activity sa yung wala. Wait lang. Okay, another activity. Magsulat ko. Kanilang isa. Okay, kanilang sa ibabaw. Yung sa taas lang. Apat man yan, di ba? 4 squares man yan. Itong nasa taas muna. Okay, solve in your lecture notebook. Lecture notebook muna tayo. Okay, dito muna tayo. Okay, dyan muna tayo.